we start with this one. Start with this one with some food. Some foods for you first of all. Or should we do, maybe we'll do your buprenorphine first. How's that sound? Where did your straw, did you enjoy playing with your straw? Did you take it to your lair? Am I sitting on it? Okay. Oh. One's a little empty. I don't know if I'm going to get anything out of this one. Maybe not. I think I'm going this way. This one was not very full. Oh, I got a tiny bit. Like 2 drops. Oh, nice. Should be just barely enough. Very good. Okay, this is for the pain. Where your nose is running. It looks like I don't even know if anything came out of there. This syringe is, I'm not impressed with. It's such a small amount. I'm gonna add some water, and then I can get it in there. Yeah, it's gonna help. Just want to make sure I get it all. There. Okay. There we go. Oh, my nose itches. Okay. You're very sweet. Oh, Amelia's eating your snacks. Amelia's a good little eater. Alright. Here we go. You ready? Hi, Amelia. Are you going to help with cleanup? Excuse you. That's quite a burp. How's it going? Caught up? Hi, Amelia. You're so helpful. I have to take it super slow with her since she's mouth breathing. Give her time to swallow and breathe in between. Amelia, you're so cute. How come do you have white hairs on your ears? Do you have some ear trauma? Good girl. Good girl. Hello, Feathers. You are so cute. You're so cute, and you're so cute. Your sister is so rambunctious, isn't she? Are you just waiting until the day that you get to get some revenge? Some payback? It'll happen, don't you worry. Don't you worry. She looks pregnant. Your sister looks pregnant. She's not, though. Full of worms. Worms and bacteria and inflammation. Look at that eye. Oof. Both of your eyes look terrible. Miss Faith, your eyes look terrible. You love her regardless though, don't you? Orville. Get her. Get her. Hi. Your eye holes are looking better, Faithy. We'll see what hopes are looking like in a minute. Once she's done with her first course. It's so tasty. See if I can try to get a photo. Those are good ones. Let's see what the Dr. F thinks about that one. That's not my passcode. Oops. Hey, oh, did that scare you? Let's see about if we can get a video. Alright. Is that the one I just sent? Oh, it is the same one. One more, and then we can have some eye treatment. All right, there we go. Round one. Listen to all those noises. They're filming a movie all week long. So they have like their generator and their lights. It's some sort of Christmas movie. And so the house next to me has snow in the yard right now, fake snow. I think this is the last day. Otherwise, I was going to be excited because they have that generator is gigantic. It's like a truck. And I was going to be excited because maybe we could just plug into it if the power goes out, but I think they're leaving, sadly. Hi, did I make you itchy? Oh, look at, there's some pus. Oh, there's a big blob of pus. Let's get that out. Let's get the pus out, and then we'll put in the good stuff. We'll replace it. Ugh, grossy. Is that your good eye? There's no eyeball right now. I'm pretty sure I can get photos of both, but oh, there's your eyeball. Good girl. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm going to put in your first round of ointment, and that will get rid of some of that pus. And then I know the meds will make your eyes water, and that will get rid of some pus. And there's some more pus. You're a good little pus producer. Alright. There's your eyeball. Here we go. Good. Oops. There. Oops. Ew, it's still coming out. Here, you can have a little warm up. Oh my gosh, it just keeps coming out. Alright. Here's a little warm up for the outside. Okay. Okay, we got our meds in. Got our first syringe of food in. Let's get this one over with, and then we'll do some fluids. Okay, I'll get a chaser ready. Okay, this is the yucky one, and I'm very sorry. I know. Give it a swallow, and then we'll do this. There. See, it's not so bad, right? There. Not so bad, as long as we chase it. Good job. Oh, hang on. Super yucky. Super yucky. Okay. Alright. Next, in the marathon medication session for the Hope is fluid time. Time for our second round of fluid. Alright, this will make you feel better. Since you're not drinking on your own, I have to inject you with your fluids. Yeah, I know. You did well with your increased one, but I'm going to give you a little more. Oh, this is so itchy. Alright. Nice warm fluids. Straw. All right. All right. So you always have to put a fresh needle on. Because the needles get a little bit dull when you use them. And you don't want to be stabbing a sick kitten with a dull needle. continues to fluid out. So I'm gonna do about that much actually. I'm gonna do it. So let's get you in a good position. You can look away if you're squeamish about needles. Just a good spot. She's been pretty good so far, but as she starts to feel better, it's okay. Are we in? I think we are. There we go. Good. There we go. Good girl. What a good girl. Thank goodness she's not biting this, because it's hard when you don't have someone to hold. It's hard to not have a needle either pull out or poke through. So she's behaving herself, which is very nice, very much appreciated. Okay, whoops. Just goes underneath her skin and then her body will absorb it. This is a very valuable skill if you work in the rescue industry, because fluids can literally save lives. So you'll have a little hump, but it's going to make you feel good, since she's not drinking water on her own. Just yet. Alright, so fluids, we got our gross meds done. We got our first round of eye meds done. I'm going to see if she will eat a little more food. And then she gets a break while I do other people's meds. Well, hi, sweetness. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. You are ridiculous. Where's my camera? I need to take a photo of this. Hey, no, wait, come do that again because it was so cute. Oh, wait, do it again. Oh, it was too cute. It was too cute for a photo, I guess. And the lighting in here is so bad I get shadows when I try to take an adorable picture of an adorable kitten. Oh, you are so cute. Oh, remember when you felt so crummy? Now you feel good, and now you have a little friend who feels crummy. And sometimes you bite her. Yeah, sometimes you do. Okay. Okay, you. Okay. At least you got pain meds, right? Oh, she says I've had enough of that. Alright, you can have a little break. It'd be cool if you would like to eat on your own. Here, try this. She says I'll just go snuggle with my friends. Okay. Your turn. Look at this white belly, it's too cute. Alright, so for you, we will... Oh, what are you doing? Are you taking pictures? We will start with... If I use a bigger needle, you can get it working out better. That's metronidazole. There we go. Cute. go. We don't like our kittens to be uncomfortable. Okay. Where are you going? Okay. That did work better. Alright. Yes, you can have a snack in a second. I'm going to start your pain meds. Because I'm sure that eye does not feel good. There. That worked better. I'm still going to flush. Oops. Little flush. There. Okay. Pain meds. Your belly is gigantic. Alright, let's just get your meds over with and then you can go have a snack. How does that sound? And you get, unfortunately, a bigger dose of this one because you're a big girl. Oh. There we go. Okay. Ready? And down the hatch. And swallow and chaser. Chaser. There. See? It's tasty. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay, now it's time to work on your eyes. Oops. Okay, let's check this out. Let's check it out. Oh, there. Oh. All right. Oh boy. Good girl. Hey. No, this is good. She said, show's over, lady. You got the same stuff happening on both sides. There it is. Oh gosh. Way too soft. It's hard to keep your eye open. Okay, I got some good clips there. Let's see if I can trim this and then that one. Hey, where are you sneaking off to? Nope, not that one. I will post this on Tiny Tapeworms also because it's interesting, I suppose. Her eyeballs are not looking great. Not looking great. Okay, I'm going to post this on Tiny Tapeworms. I also posted the bucket of goo that Hope fell into, if anyone's interested in seeing that. It might just make you sad though, but happy that she's here. Happy that she didn't die in that bucket, because that would have been awful. Are you gonna come see me for some more eye? Okay, posted on Tiny Tapeworms. For anyone who would like to see. Hello, little monkey. Come on. I'm not done yet, but the worst part is over for you. You're lucky that you're eating on your own, so you have fewer horrible things than your sister. And as always, oh, there it is. I always lose the ointment, so it's ointment time. So her eyes, what I don't like about what I'm seeing is the opacity in her cornea. It's cloudy from just the part I can see of it. And both eyes have tissue attached to the cornea. And I don't know if that is, if they were starting to rupture, or if that is just her body trying to heal ulcers, or what that is. There's, regardless of what it is, there's little that we can do to stop it beyond just putting in tons of eye ointment. She's not in a, like, she's not in super great condition for surgery. She's, you know, obviously a lot in a much better position than, say, Nano, but your hydration's good. But I wouldn't love to do surgery on her right now. That would be, you know, if her eyeballs were starting to rupture, then we may need to do something like that. But pain meds should help, and the eye ointment should help. They are looking much better than they were. You want to see like a nice clear eyeball underneath the conjunctiva when the swelling starts to go down, and I'm seeing that in Hope's good eye. Her good eye so far looks, from the part I can see of it, looks at least viable. It's not cloudy, and there's nothing that I can see attached to it. Obviously there are you can't just see ulcers like with the naked eye all the time, so we would need to do further tests to confirm that, but just by looking at Faith's eyeballs, I can see things that I don't love on there. So I don't know. I don't know, monkey, but regardless of what happens, you're gonna be okay, and you're gonna have an awesome life, okay? And you don't even know that you can't see. You probably haven't been able to see for a long time. So I'm not loving what I'm seeing. But we're doing everything we can be doing at this point, getting her stronger and healthier if we do have to do surgery, and the pain meds should help. She's not doing a lot of like rubbing at her eyes, which is a good sign. That would indicate that she was feeling a lot of pain, like extreme pain. You know, cats are really good at masking pain, but she is doing kind of normal kitten stuff, playing, being very rambunctious, and she's eating and drinking, and she's not doing a lot of rubbing. We can't tell if she's sensitive to light because she's not really, her eyeballs are not really super functional, I don't think, at this point. But I do think it is likely that she can see light and dark, still, like when her eyeball is out. So she may have some limited, some sort of sensory input. I wouldn't necessarily call it vision, but she navigates extremely well without it. You can tell she has very subtle cues, like when she walks, she stretches her front feet way out in front, and just feels where she's going. And she's also very in tune to noises, and so you can tell she navigates a lot by noise, by sound, by smell, and by feel. So you see she did it. That was a good example of it right there, just reaching out her foot and checking where she's going. So she's adapted incredibly well. I don't think she's been able to see anything for quite some time. So Hope, on the other hand, I have some hope for your one eye. I'm going to take another look and we'll try to have a little more food. Yeah, you're such a good kitten. Because when I look at her eye, hi there, are you coming to see me? Oh my gosh, that'd be so nice if you did. She said no. I was just walking past the abominable snowman. Hi there. Where are you going? Are you looking for snacks? Do you want some snacks? Look at that big belly. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. Nope. So I'm not worried about. I of course I would love if we can save all 4 eyeballs, but blind cats do very well and have very good lives, and so it's not a death sentence, and it's not even, they just adapt so well. And even living with Cassidy, seeing how he's adapted, he doesn't notice that he's different. He just is the way he is, and so I'm confident we'll be able to find wonderful homes, hopefully, for them together. I don't know. Look at all that pus, man. You've got just tons of pus. Little pus kitten. Alright, let's have some more snacks and then we'll do another. We'll clean out the pus and then we'll add some more ointment. At least they aren't out in this freezing rain, bumping their way through the obstacle course. What are you doing? Trying to find scraps of something to eat. I saw your mommy today. She's looking well. I think we'll let you see her, but I don't know if we'll be able to. I don't know how she. These guys are a little older. They're at the age where they're sort of becoming independent. I don't know how she would do with them. Hi there. Ugh. I don't like it. Psst, psst, psst. No, I don't like it at all. I don't like what I see. Nope. You're so cute though, and you're so frisky, and you're just adorable. Yes, you are so adorable. Ugh, I hope your eyes aren't gonna rupture. I don't know. Dr. F is on the case though, so if there's anything else that we can do, we will do it. This is what Sky had to live through for when she was little. Yeah, it's sad. Hope does seem much less sneezy. She's still definitely congested, and she is still sneezing, but she does seem to be less sneezy, which is good. So hopefully before the weekend, she will start eating on her own. That will, when she starts eating and drinking on her own, that will be a big turning point for her. I think she will have huge progress once that. You are so cute. She just pointed this way. She hears her sister. She's very curious what's going on. Oh, you're gonna be so sweet. She's got a very Amelia-like personality. Even though these two are still quite fearful, their Faith is very Amelia-like. Oh, you probably aren't even pointing that. There, we can sort of see her. Do we have some more? Let's finish this syringe. Look at them, so sweet and innocent. So sweet and innocent in their little box. Oh no, there you go. You almost got some in your ears, but I know that Amelia will clean it out for you. There was a lot of water at the farm. Like they would have been walking into puddles constantly. Into cold puddles to try to get places. I didn't see any kittens there tonight. Alright, almost done. What a good girl. Is a good girl? Oh, poor little monkey. Poor little monkey. Okay, I'm gonna depuss you and then top you up with some ointment. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Get your nose, blot your nose. I'm not too worried about the food because I know that everyone's going to clean you up when I put you back in there, and I think you will like that. I think that's probably good. Okay, so one more little squirt. Still tons to do to get ready for the weekend so that it goes smoothly. Very excited. Alright, there you go. You're all done with the torture. All done with the kitten torture. Okay. Okay, I hope that you have a good night. Hope that you feel better by the morning. Oh, you got some food on you. You can prop up on your alligator. Oh, you are so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Alright. Maybe we need a few more cans for the tripod. So that we get a better view of the basket of cuteness. Okay, lots of cleanup to do. Lots of laundry. We're way behind on laundry. It's ridiculous. How much laundry there is to do. Okay. Oh. I made a big mess.